Yeah, students, listen carefully regarding oxidation and reduction. The first one is oxidation. Here, this representation M converted to M plus means it lost one electron due to loss of electron getting positive charge. Here charge nothing but oxidation number, 0 converted to +1. So oxidation nothing but loss of electron, and removal of electron is also called de-electronation. And here charge is 0, here is +1. Increase in oxidation number is also called oxidation. In any way, in chemical reaction, substance which undergoes oxidation acts as reducing agent. Now, see here, +1 converted to +2. It's nothing but increase in charge, nothing but increase in oxidation number. Conversion of +1 to +2 or +2 to +3 or +3 to +4 or +4 to +5. So increase in oxidation number is also nothing but oxidation. Now let us discuss reduction. Here X converted to X minus, added electron, gaining of electron. Due to gaining of electron, getting negative charge. Here 0 converted to -1. So gaining of electron, and electron is added. Addition of electron is known as electronation. And 0 converted to -1, decrease in oxidation number. And in any chemical reaction, substance which undergoing reduction acts as oxidizing agent. Now you can see here -1 converted to -2. It is nothing but decrease in oxidation number. -1 converted to -2 also reduction. -2 converted to -3 also reduction. And similarly, here -2 converted to -1. Here indicates what? -2 converted to -1 means increase in oxidation number is what? Oxidation. Here +3 converted to +2. +3 converted to +2. Decrease in oxidation number is what? Reduction. Now see here overall reaction. M converted to M plus electron involved in oxidation, and same electron X accepted converted to X minus. And remember one, positive ions are called cations and negative ions are called anions due to loss of electron getting positive charge, and positively charged ions are called cations, and due to gaining of electron getting negative charged ions are called what? Anions. In overall reaction, electron cancel. The reaction is M plus X gives rise to M plus and X minus. M is involved in oxidation, X involved in reduction. Anywhere in any chemical reaction, if you are able to find oxidation and reduction, then it is said to be redox reaction. What is redox reaction? In any chemical reaction, same element in any chemical reaction, if you are finding oxidation and reduction, it is said to be redox reaction. And now another very important concept, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. A species which undergoes reduction is called an oxidizing agent, also called oxidant. Generally, in any chemical reaction, the gaining electron undergoes reduction, acts as oxidizing agent. In total periodic table, seventh group elements already having 7 electrons, only 1 electron short to get inert gas configuration. That is why they simply gains 1 electron, easily undergoes reduction and acts as oxidizing agent. So strong oxidizing agent belong to which group in the periodic table? Seventh group. They are also called halogens. And similar way, opposite, reducing agent. A species which undergoes oxidation means losing electron, acts as what? Reducing agent. A species which undergoes oxidation is called reducing agent, also called reductant. So see that this reaction here, M involved in oxidation acts as reducing agent. X involved in reduction acts as oxidizing agent. So in total periodic table, overall chemistry in the periodic table, first group element easily loses electrons, easily undergoes oxidation and acts as good reducing agent. Similar way, seventh group elements are easily gains electrons, easily undergoes reduction, acts as strong oxidizing agents. Now, let us discuss some rules to find oxidation number. Oxidation number rules. First rule, in total periodic table, highest electronegativity element is fluorine. Its value is 4. Fluorine in total chemistry, everywhere it exhibits only -1 oxidation number, general bit. Which element exhibit only negative oxidation number? Answer is fluorine. Fluorine always exhibits -1. So suppose here OF2 there. Which one known to you? Fluorine is known to you as -1. Unknown element is X, oxygen here. X plus 2 into -1 is equal to, if any charge is there, write the charge value. If there is no charge, you write the 0. So X minus 2 is equal to 0, X is equal to plus 2. So in OF2, oxygen oxidation number is what? Plus 2. O2F2, here which one known to you? Fluorine. Fluorine always shows only -1. Unknown element here, oxygen. 2x plus 2 into -1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to plus 2. X is equal to plus 1. Next, coming to the hydrogen. Hydrogen common oxidation number is +1. What is the common oxidation number of hydrogen? +1. Common oxidation number of hydrogen is +1. But whenever it combines with metals, metal and hydrogen between forming compounds are called metal hydrides. In metal hydrides, hydrogen shows -1. So common oxidation number of hydrogen is what? +1. Whenever it combines with metals, their hydrogen exhibits -1. Now another rule. First A group elements also called alkali metals. First A group elements also called alkali metals. First A group elements are lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. They always shows only +1 oxidation state. Next, second A group elements are called alkaline earth metals. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium. They always exhibit +2 oxidation state. So overall, first group elements always exhibits +1. Second group element always exhibit +2. Here Na2O. Which one known to you? Sodium. Because it is first group, always +1. So 2 into +1, unknown element X. If oxygen is considered, 2 into +1 plus X is equal to 0. X is equal to what? -2. Here what you will get? Oxygen number? -1. Here oxygen number? -1/2. Here oxygen number plus 1. Here oxygen number plus 2. So see this concept, very important. Oxygen common oxidation number is -2. In peroxide shows -1. Superoxide shows -1/2. Whenever oxygen combine with fluorine, their oxygen exhibits +1 and +2 because fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. In a compound, always higher electronegativity element exhibit negative oxidation number, less electronegative element exhibit positive oxidation number. In oxygen and fluorine, oxygen is less electronegative than fluorine, or fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. So oxygen with only one element exhibit positive oxidation number, that is fluorine, and those compounds also restricted and exhibiting positive oxidation numbers also restricted, +1 and +2. +1 exhibiting compound is O2F2, +2 exhibiting compound is OF2. Now another very important rule, in total chemistry highest possible oxidation number is +8. Highest possible oxidation number is +8. You will not be seeing more than +8 oxidation number. While calculating, if anywhere you are getting more than +8, there is no doubt, absolutely wrong. And +8 also restricted to only 3 elements. They are ruthenium, osmium, xenon. And those compounds also restricted: ruthenium tetroxide, osmium tetroxide, xenon tetroxide. You can calculate here, oxygen common oxidation number is -2 na. So x plus 4 into -2 is equal to 0, x is equal to +8. Here also similar way you will get +8, +8. Okay, right. We will discuss many examples in next video. Bye.